Real estate expenses. If you've ever purchased real estate, you know that it's very complicated and there are a lot of formulas and tables and charts involved. We're just going to do some very basic real estate expense problems today. So first of all, one thing that you usually are required to have when you purchase real estate is a down payment. And they'll say you need a 5% or a 15% or a 20% down payment. So the way you figure a down payment is you take that percent value, move the decimal 2 places to the left, and multiply by the price of the real estate. And that gives you the down payment. Now, once you've paid your down payment, then that's when you go to the bank and get your mortgage. So what's left after the down payment will be the mortgage. In other words, the purchase price minus the down payment will give you the mortgage. So our first problem is an insurance business was purchased for $173,000 with a down payment of $34,600. Find the mortgage. This problem, the down payment is already given to us. The $34,600, we don't have to calculate it. But to find the mortgage is purchase price minus down payment. So the purchase price is $173,000 minus the down payment, $34,600. So now we need to go to the bank and ask for $138,400. Land was purchased for $240,000. The bank required a down payment of 15%. Find the mortgage. So now we're going to have to calculate the down payment. So if we remember, to calculate down payment, it's the percent times the price, and we have to move the decimal of the percent 2 places left before we multiply. So if it's 15%, moving the decimal 2 places to the left will make it 0.15. So first of all, we need to find the down payment. The price is $240,000 times the percent with the decimal moved over. And so my down payment is $36,000. But it didn't really ask me to find the down payment, it asked me to find the mortgage. But I know I had to find the down payment in order to find the mortgage. Now the mortgage is the price minus the down payment. So the mortgage is what I have to go to the bank and ask for. $240,000 minus $36,000. So my mortgage will be $204,000. Well, what we're normally concerned about when we buy real estate is what will our monthly payment be? And this is a complicated thing to calculate, so we're going to use tables to help us with that. And these tables are in the back of the book. The one you're going to use is called the monthly payment table, and it's on page 597. It looks like this, and we'll come back to that when we work this example. So it says a loan amount of $850,000 was obtained to buy a business. The monthly mortgage payment was based on 25 years at 5.75%. Find the monthly payment. So the information we need to use the table is the number of years and the interest rate. And when we get our value from the table, we're going to multiply that by the loan amount, by the $850,000. So let me go ahead and write the $850,000. We're going to multiply that by what we get from the table. So remember, 25 years, 5.75%. Going to our table, 5.75% is right here. Again, this is kind of hard to read. And 25 years is here. So I need to go across and down until those values meet. And it's 0.0062911. So that's what I'm going to multiply by my purchase price. So I'm going to fill that in, 62911. When I multiply that together, I get $5,347.44, and that's my monthly payment. For the next problem, we have Maria purchased a home for $210,000 and made a down payment of 15% of the purchase price. The balance was financed for 15 years at an annual interest rate of 6%. So, Part A says find the mortgage. Now, we did a problem like that earlier. We're going to have to figure out the amount of the down payment first. So the down payment is $210,000 times the percent changed to a decimal. Move the decimal 2 places to the left, that would be 0.15. My down payment then comes out to be $31,500. So that's how much I am giving the seller, $31,500. Now I subtract that to find the mortgage. I've already paid $31,500, so I need to go to the bank and get what's left, which is $178,500. So that's the mortgage. That's how much I'm borrowing after my down payment. Now I need to find the monthly mortgage payment, and that comes from the chart on page 597. And to use that chart, I need the 6% annual interest for my loan and the 15 years, and that value from my chart I multiply by the mortgage, $178,500. Okay, so let's go to the chart, and it is 6%, which is here. The number of years is 15 years, which is here. So where those two things meet, 0.0084386. 0.0084386. And multiplying those by the mortgage amount, my monthly payment is $1,506.29.